Dinosaurs, the magnificent rulers of Earth for over 165 million years. When we think about their extinction, one event immediately comes to mind: the massive asteroid impact 66 million years ago. A cataclysmic collision that wiped out 75% of life on Earth. But what if I told you some dinosaurs didn't vanish right away? What if they survived for another million years in certain parts of the planet? Intriguing, right? Well, stick around, because today we're diving deep into this fascinating mystery. Let's rewind the clock to 66 million years ago. Earth was a vibrant place with lush forests, sprawling plains, and oceans teeming with life. Then, out of nowhere, boom! A meteorite the size of Mount Everest slammed into what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. This unleashed a chain reaction of destruction. Fires raged across continents, tsunamis reshaped coastlines, and the skies darkened with ash, plunging the planet into a prolonged winter. But here's the twist: not every corner of the Earth experienced the same level of devastation, and some dinosaurs found ways to adapt to these drastically changed conditions. So how exactly did some dinosaurs manage to survive? The answer lies in three key factors: location, adaptation, and resilience. Not all dinosaurs were in the direct path of destruction. Some species lived far from the impact zone, in regions like Antarctica, which back then was a temperate forested area. These regions experienced less immediate fallout, giving dinosaurs there a fighting chance. Then we have the species that were naturally better suited to surviving harsh conditions. Smaller dinosaurs, like certain theropods, could scavenge and find shelter more easily than their massive counterparts. They could also consume a wider range of food, plants, insects, even small animals, allowing them to adapt to the dwindling resources. Finally, resilience played a role. Some dinosaurs likely relied on behaviors that increased their chances of survival, such as migrating to safer areas or hibernating during the harshest months of the impact winter. You might be wondering, how do we know some dinosaurs survived beyond the initial impact? Well, scientists have uncovered fossil evidence that suggests certain species lived for up to 1 million years after the collision. For example, a discovery in New Mexico revealed a fossilized hadrosaur that dated to roughly 64.5 million years ago, well after the asteroid hit. While these survivors were few and far between, their existence challenges our understanding of extinction events. And let's not forget, the ancestors of modern birds are also considered avian dinosaurs. These feathered creatures not only survived the impact but went on to thrive, evolving into the 10,000 bird species we see today. Think of it like a game of musical chairs. When the music stops, bam! The unprepared are left standing, while the few who adapt quickly find a seat. Dinosaurs that could adapt to the new, harsh rules of survival were the ones who held on, at least for a little while longer. This resilience in the face of destruction reminds us of humanity's own capacity to endure and adapt to change. Whether it's climate shifts, natural disasters, or global pandemics. Dinosaurs may have ultimately lost their reign, but their story of survival after one of Earth's most catastrophic events is nothing short of remarkable. It's a reminder of nature's resilience and adaptability, and a testament to the idea that even in the darkest of times, life finds a way. If you found this video fascinating, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with your fellow dinosaur enthusiasts. And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite dinosaur? Until next time, keep exploring the mysteries of the past.